Encountering the inaccessible boot device error after an update can be incredibly frustrating. This video will guide you through detailed steps to resolve this common Windows issue. The quote, inaccessible boot device error means Windows can't access the drive it needs to boot. This often happens after system updates that modify critical drivers or system files. After an update, common culprits include incompatible drivers, corrupted system files from a failed update, or issues with the update process itself. Before diving into complex solutions, always try basic troubleshooting steps like restarting your computer multiple times to see if Windows can self-correct. If restarts don't work, boot into safe mode. From there, you can access Device Manager and roll back or uninstall recently updated drivers that might be causing the conflict. If BitLocker is enabled, you might encounter additional hurdles. Make sure you have your recovery key handy, as decryption might be necessary during repair processes. Now let's move on to some more advanced repair techniques to tackle stubborn boot errors. Deployment Image Servicing and Management, or DISM, is a powerful command line tool. It can repair your Windows image, often fixing underlying corruption that other tools miss. Run it from the advanced startup options. Following DISM, use the System File Checker, or SFC. This tool scans for and restores corrupted Windows system files, which are often the cause of boot errors. It works hand in hand with DISM for comprehensive repair. There comes a point when continuous repairs risk further data loss. If previous steps haven't worked, it's time to stop and consider cloning your drive. Before attempting any complex drive operations, or if you're stopping at the cloning stage, ensure all critical data is backed up. Data recovery can be costly and isn't always successful. To clone your drive, you'll need an external drive and cloning software. This creates an exact copy, allowing you to experiment with repairs on the clone without risking your original data. If you've tried everything and the error persists, don't despair. Sometimes, professional help is necessary, especially with intricate issues. In summary, we've covered safe mode driver rollbacks, BitLocker considerations, and using DISM and SFC for advanced repairs. Remember when to clone your drive and back up your data. For quick and intelligent solutions, try Maddie at Asambe, an AI-first IT support expert. Maddie can provide reasonable and timely responses to your IT issues. Don't let IT issues hold you back. Implement these fixes or reach out for expert help. You don't have to give up. Help is always available.
Hit that subscribe button below and join our community.